how do they even think about investing? And do you think they're very young to start investing now?
Hi, Shimona, and hi, everybody here. It is actually my pleasure to be here and address everybody who's starting on with their career and starting with their first paychecks. So, your question is that, how do I even think of investing? I think the only key over here is budgeting. The first thing that all of us need to do is jot down your expenses for the next few months and then try to reduce on your discretionary expenses, like, expenses on your Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, and gadgets. I'm sure there's something which can be saved from that basket of discretionary expenses. Then a small amount from that bucket can be first kept aside and then the balance can be spent. So it's like, your investment can also be thought of as an EMI. So it can start with a small amount. So it's like paying your future self first, okay? And then by investing and then spending the rest. So if you start it this way, it will work wonders.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.